Welcome back to my mental health and crime channel. My name is Huda London. This is the case of the Idaho quadruple murders. May the 4 victims rest in peace. May the correct justice be served.
Mac and cheese after partying at a nearby bar.
Everybody seemed like in good spirits, nothing seemed off, and then they start interacting with a couple other people. They're waiting for their food.
Now look at this. Video shows Madison pointing at a man in a hoodie who appeared to have followed them to the truck. We had the video and audio from the clip enhanced, and you can hear her using an expletive. Blank you, mister, she says. Police have already announced they have cleared the young man in the hoodie. Audio engineer Anthony Nelson enhanced the audio for Inside Edition. What do you hear in that instant?
She says, you.
So, was there an argument? If so, what was it about? Kaylee, in their opinion, some of the individuals have been cleared too prematurely.
Maddie was clearly upset with someone. The direction she's pointing out is either Jack Showalter or Jovito. What could have happened for Maddie to have been using that language and pointing out towards the 2 gentlemen? Why were so many people ruled out so quickly? Jack Showalter was there. He did not order any food. He was with the girls in the corner club. So was Jovito, because Jovito clearly said that the girls were falling all over the place in the corner club. So were these people watching the girls from the corner club right up to the grub truck? It seems to me that Maddie is pointing her finger at Jovito. And strangely enough, Jovito said he did not know Jack Showalter. Joseph Woodall, is the manager of the grub truck, and he clearly said in his interview that nothing happened, that everyone was in good spirits. My question is, wasn't he witnessing when the group was calling out Xana's name? He even played George Michael, may he rest in peace, his song Careless Whisper. It may mean nothing, but it could mean everything. The tune, the text of the tune, the lyrics, is quite powerful. He played it from where George Michael says, a betrayal of a good friend. When people were yelling out Xana's name, Joseph was watching. What could he have known?